Today for dinner, salad, cucumber, lettuce, tomato, red onion and sour and dressing and fries. Yummy. And we're watching Netflix movie Subservience. Okay, bye. Deer in the forest and squirrels jumping all around. And where I saw squirrels too. Some over. No, I don't see one. Where is he or she? No, I don't see. Gone. And I'm preparing to work. No fun. Sleepy. New kettle. Is I'm still not seeing. Oh, I jump from one branch to another. Wow, it's all window. Crazy. Cooking soup. That's from tomato. Progresso, tomato, basil, and I added vegetables. Pasta. Carrots. Water, spices, salt. And it's cooking. Here's soup. Yummy.
If you don't show up by say like 5,
They'll still zap you with the price, right?
well, they're probably just gonna keep you in the system as like a no-show.
Yeah, that too.
Because I bet if you don't show up there, my things for like 5:15. I don't show up by 5:30. They have to fucking give a table away. If I don't, my thing's for 5:15. Say if I don't show up till 5:30,
Yeah.
they just gonna give my.
Hello friends, today I'm eating the Saturday and on the dinner I'm eating salad. Here. You know who. I'm eating salad, fries, ketchup and pieces too of chicken. And I'm watching a vlog of Angel's Polish vlogger.
You got the salt and the ketchup in there?
Yes. Yummy in the tummy. Bye. Squirrel, cute. She's hungry. See? She's eating some acorn. How she found it when it snowed. Recording with iPhone. iPhone has nice zoom. Yummy, she eating it. At least we didn't clean acorns. Maybe she found it somehow, dig it out. But how? I don't see where any holes. And where was, because we had snow and then we had little warmer weather, and then that snow and was some small waterfall there from forest. See, even frozen there. And here made big puddles, like especially there, like small lake. Always creates a small lake or pond. Squirrel still eating acorn.
Nice. So beautiful.
Yummy.
Look, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to get in that area.
Okay.
Maybe you could throw out that banana that's right there. Well, maybe yeah, I could.
And this is the rest of my outfit of the day. Coat from Marmot. And shoes a la Australia. Then backpack from Amazon Backsmart. Cute. And that's it. Sunglasses from I Buy Direct. Bye. Hello guys. Today is my off day, but I grabbed shift, so I came here to the Amazon work time. But this shift is only 3 hours. Yeah. Today 34. Little woman. A nice sun.